Now ATX mobile bike service has upgraded itself with a formerly handicap van. Nice graphics, huh? For mobile bike repair. Bringing the bike shop to you. And you see we've got a QR code on there. And they have group community day discounts for HOAs and things like that. Or schools where they do tune-ups and they get additional business. Nice. Air-conditioned luxury. Well, congratulations on the new setup.
Thank you.
And you can get those seats, TV, air conditioning's on all the time. Can you pull down the ramp so I can see how you got the bike in there? So this was used for wheelchairs before, and this makes a perfect ramp for rolling up an e-bike to get it into its mobile shop. Ta-da! Great!
And it does fit cargo bikes.
Even the big cargo bikes.